In this tutorial video, you will learn how to simplify geometries. The Geometries simplification panel opens when the simplification button is clicked on the Tools menu. When Select Geometry from Map option is selected as the geometry usage method in the Open panel, firstly, the geometry to be simplified is selected. As the tolerance rate is changed, the change is instantly displayed on the map. The simplification process is performed with the Simplify button. When Selected from Existing Layers option is selected as the geometry usage method, the simplification process is done over the layer. First, the layer to be simplified is selected. By changing the tolerance rate, the change on the layer can be observed instantly. If the Create New Layer option is selected, the changes are created on a new layer. If not selected, the changes are applied on the existing layer. The simplification process is performed with the Simplify button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.